Hello and welcome to ABE Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning. With over 27 years of experience, we are experts in handling all your plumbing, heating, and air conditioning needs. Serving all of San Fernando and Santa Clarita Valleys and Los Angeles, we will respond quickly. With the latest technology, we can diagnose and solve the problem in a timely manner. Professional and experienced, ABE is there for you. We have emergency service available 7 days a week, including holidays. ABE will do the job thoroughly and completely to your satisfaction. With confidence, whether it be plumbing, repiping, water heaters, sewer line cleaning, to heating and air conditioning challenges, ABE can do it all, from apartments to single-family residences. Call us for free estimates and guaranteed pricing. Here are some signs that tell you when you need to repipe. Low water pressure. Taking a shower and when someone flushes the toilet, you get scalded. When you turn on the shower or tub, rusty water comes out from old galvanized pipes. Whatever the situation, ABE Plumbing can repipe a home with copper plumbing that is clean and won't corrode, lasting a lifetime. ABE can do all this for half the price of what you would normally pay for. ABE Plumbing is here for all your plumbing needs. Sewer line replacement doesn't mean destroying yards, landscapes, driveways, or parking lots. What it takes is someone like ABE Plumbing to take care of pipe bursting, pipe relining, repair broken and cracked lines, blockage, and anything disrupting your sewer lines from flowing smoothly. Think of ABE Plumbing when your sewer lines need replacement or repair. ABE Plumbing installs air conditioning systems as well as services and repairs them. Whether you need a recharge, fan replacement, or a new compressor, ABE will find the solution to making sure that your home stays cool and comfortable during the hot summer months. You can rely on ABE to take care of your ductwork to ensure an even distribution of airflow and energy conservation. Count on ABE to be there for you. Is your furnace not heating your home properly? Let ABE Plumbing help in this area. Whether you need installation of a new unit or the heating coil needs replacement, ABE is the specialist to ensure a warm, cozy home. ABE Plumbing repairs and lays natural gas lines. Instead of waiting for the gas company to finally show up, we will quickly remedy the situation. We find leaks using dependable detectors and measuring the pressure in the gas lines. For outdoor gas lines, we install and repair gas leaks in polyethylene pipes as well. Gas leaks can be serious. Our certified plumbers are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. ABE Plumbing specializes in apartment complexes as well as single-family residences. Understanding the concerns of having many residences in an apartment dwelling, we will ensure coordination with the property management team and our team to solve the issues quickly and smoothly. From a small clogged drain to a large sewer situation, ABE Plumbing will get the job done. Do you need a water heater or boiler replacement? Whether you have a conventional one or you're ready to move into a tankless water heater, ABE Plumbing can provide replacement or repair, utilizing energy-efficient products that will satisfy all your hot water needs. Tankless water heaters. The green solution will save you up to 40% in energy costs and provide endless hot water supply. Let ABE Plumbing help you with the best solution that will save you space, time, and money. We at ABE Plumbing are staffed to handle drain or sewer cleaning. Blockage, corrosion, root infiltration, there is no problem too small or too big for us. Providing you with video sewer inspection and high-pressure drain cleaning. We use the best state-of-the-art equipment to diagnose and provide solutions satisfactory to all of our clients.